Here at Golf Concepts, we were thinking of doing something special for you guys on social media. So we all know when you hit drivers off the face, it does make a different sound. So we were thinking is we're going to hit 7 drivers from different brands, and with the sound that it makes, you guys need to guess which sound matches which driver. Let's go this one. Number 1. That's number 2. That's number 3. That's number 6. And that's number 7. So guys, we've hit 7 drivers. I think you can definitely see that there's a difference in some of the drivers and sound. So how did you guys do to match up the sound versus the driver?